Look at that. I just video it just now. It's so hot and so sunny and so clear. It's so nice now, you see. You can hardly see anything. What happened? See, it's already, you cannot see anything there. It's raining. Big rain. Big rain, guys. Look at that. Oh, it is so windy. I don't know why. Parang may typhoon. Kanina mainit yan. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Di ba? Uy, let's close. Rain. Oh, just now it's so bright and clear and so sunny now. Big rain. See, you can hardly see down there. Look at that. And there's a big wind, strong wind. Look at that. See, it's very quick to change the weather. Now, just now, not even 2 hours ago, it's sunny and so clear. Now it's suddenly big rain. What's that? See? Whoa, what is that? But you know, farmer likes rain because can water their plant, but not typhoon because a typhoon can flood the plant and you know spoil everything. Just rain, it's okay. They are happy with it. But if there's typhoon, it's so sad because everything is gonna be gone, and it's our food. So you have to be love the farmers, huh? Because they are the one who put food in our table. So thanks guys for watching. Showing you how big it's rain here now.